Did you know that the fantastic flavor of Greek Retsina wine is only possible due to a tree product? Find out more in this video. Welcome to another episode of Below the Apple Tree. Today I want to talk to you about the world famous Greek Retsina wine, whose very flavor is only possible due to a very special tree product. I discovered this on my recent trip to the beautiful Greek island of Evia. So the special ingredient in Retsina wine is actually the sap from the Aleppo pine. I have here a very beautiful specimen high up in the Evia mountains, a Greek island, where I'm spending my summer holidays this year. And the way they collect this sap is just to score the tree and then hang a bag under it, and over time it drips full of this sap. Its use goes back actually to ancient times, where they used amphoras to transport any kinds of liquids like wine. The problem was with those amphoras that they weren't always leak-proof. So what they did was to coat them with some kind of tree sap on the inside and made them leak-proof this way. However, this tree sap of course gave a very specific flavor to the liquids within, and probably over the millennia of using it, they really started to enjoy this specific taste. So it resulted that even after they had containers which were leak-proof, like wooden barrels from the Celts, they still added this Aleppo pine sap to the wine because they really loved its flavor. And of course I can't come all the way here to the Evian mountains without trying it just without the wine. So here we go. I'm just gonna take out a small sample on this stick, and as you can see here, it's on my finger, it's almost clear, whereas in the bag it looks like caramelly. And so let me try it. So the first impression is actually that it tastes quite sappy, but not overly strong, almost mild. Then it is a bit sticky but also creamy at the same time. Very fresh in the mouth, almost like a mint. And there is even a hint of sweetness. So overall it's a very pleasurable, really good taste. I'm really looking forward to trying it with the wine. I found the taste so interesting that I immediately set out to find a bottle of good quality Retsina wine when I came back here to Austria. The result of my research is actually this bottle you see here. It's called Retinitis by Gaia Wines. So far I didn't have the chance to try it, so I thought let's try it together. The color, as you can see here, is the traditional and beautiful yellow greenish color that's Retsina wine is known for. And now let's open it. So let's smell it first. It has a very fresh smell that is combined with a mineral sensation like from hard water. And then maybe there's also a hint of a white fruit in there, like pear maybe, but a very small hint. But let's try it. So the freshness is also in taste, combined with the mineral sensation like hard water. A hint of resinous flavor, probably from the pine sap. And finally it's also very creamy and almost a bit sweet. So overall a very nice, likable wine, which I can imagine to be really great with some seafood or also some vegetable-based dish that is not overly strong in its flavor. This wine could be a perfect combination. So there you have it, the fantastic flavor of Greek Retsina wine, only possible due to Aleppo pine sap, yet another tree product. If you want to find out more about how trees and wood influence our food, like this video, subscribe, and also read my book, The Flavor of Wood. See you next time in another installment of Below the Apple Tree. Goodbye.